how to rebind keys in your Linux box. For example, remap the Windows key, remap the Copilot key, remap the control key. Not judging. I had to do this for a client. I might as well just document for all of you guys. So let's say you want P to be an O, you want O to be a P, you want X to be a Z. Nobody's judging. More commonly, you want control to do something else. You want the Windows key to do something else. You want the Copilot key. I don't have any computers with Copilot key, but I know it's common. You want the Copilot key to do something else. For example, with the Copilot to lock the screen, act as a control, act as an alt. I'm not judging. I'm just going to explain to you guys how you can remap keys to your liking or preference or needs. So I'm going to do this in Fedora. I'm not going to show you step by step in Fedora, but after the installation, everything is just pretty standard. We're going to use a service called KeyD. So since it's a daemon, since it's a service, it will work in any physical terminal, virtual terminal, SSH, and so on and so forth. So just be careful, because since you're going to remap some keys in the testing phase, you may get things really, really crazy. So let's say you remap by accident the key, for example, the enter key or the control key, you may be kind of SOL. So just in case, I'm going to open a new tab. I'm going to get some root access here. And I'm going to do systemctl stop KeyD. The service is not yet installed yet, but it's ready here just for me to hit the enter key and stop it, so I can just resume. And if I mess up some keys, I can just go back here and fix it. Okay, I just need the enter key here. So I think our chances are good. So let's do the installation. DNF install KeyD. All right, so I suspect this is not going to work in Fedora. You need to do an extra step. But if you are in Ubuntu or any other, just follow the procedure for distribution. I believe that in Debian and Ubuntu, it just installs, and you do not need extra steps. But do whatever you have to do in your distro. If you are in Fedora, I just need to enable a specific repo. I'm going to put the comment again for guys to see. So this is going to enable the COPR repo. It's just a repo. It's reliable. It's trustworthy. It's fine. I'm going to enable it, then disable it, just to be on the safe side. You can leave it enabled. It's your own choice. Okay. So I'm going to install it. It takes no time at all. And I mean, there we go. It's basic much done. And I'm going to disable just because, to be on the safe side. Disable. Okay. So this is for a customer computer. So the one I'm going to do it. So I'm going to do the same thing. All done. Now it's installed. Cool. Now, what we're going to do here is check the main page. So man KD. So we're going to start by using the monitor option. We can explore the other ones if you want. It's fine. I'm going to monitor. The keystroke. So I'm going to do KD and monitor. Why? Because I need this ID here. Okay, I'm going to need this ID. I'm going to copy the ID, and as you can see, the daemon it's just monitoring all my inputs. Okay. Right. Okay. Oops. This is my VM machine. So this is a VM working in Windows. So I cannot use the Windows key because it actually works. It was not working beforehand. Okay. Fine. So left meta is the Windows key. Okay. So left meta, it's the Windows key. Okay. If I'm not mistaken, I'm going to put this in the description for the Copilot key. I'm going to leave in the description the exact configuration you need for the Copilot configuration. Check the description for that. But if you want the left Windows key, it's left meta. It was not working beforehand in my previous testing. And well, it's good to know. So the client will be even happier. Okay, but even if you do not have the key itself, you can just type left meta or right meta, and it's going to correspond to the Windows key. The menu key is compose. I was not aware of that. I'm going to try the function key in my keyboard. It does nothing. Okay, so this is meta, this is compose. But you should try this escape, of course. You should try this in a target computer, the one you're going to use this, and now you know exactly the what to do. Okay, cool. So left meta, it's a good thing to do. So I'm going to cancel this. So let's see what happens if I do Control C. Control C, it's this. If I do left meta C, it does nothing. Okay, cool. Now what do you do? Copy this. Okay, let's copy this. And now you need to go to that check my notes here. You go to the etc. Well, it makes a total sense. And the key D, it should be an empty folder, I guess. It should be empty, which it is. And you configure a file called default.conf, which makes total sense. Now, what you're going to add here is a section called ID or IDs. And you're going to paste here the ID you just got. Cool. Then you're going to create a new section and you're going to call it main. And now you just do your mappings. You can do multiple lines, whatever. Let's start with something simple. So P equals O. Okay? Save and quit. Okay, now you do systemctl, restart KD, and P equals O. I'm typing the P key, and it's very, very disconcerting. I'm typing P, you cannot see it, but it's typing in O. It basically works. Okay? Now let's do something else. Let's try, for example, what was it? Left meta? Left meta equals, let's say C. No, C, it's useful. It's too useful. Equals W. No, Q. No, Q, I need for VI. Equals P. P. So left meta equals, oh, now my P, it's a no. Okay, it's fine. Left meta equals O. All right, so restart key D. Left meta equals O. I'm hitting the left meta key and it's typing O. So this is crazy. This is very nice. So if I run into problems, I can come here and stop, and now left meta, it's left meta. Okay, cool, very nice. Now, if you want to remap your Copilot key, you need to put a specific or special keyword there. I'm going to put the configuration snippet for the Copilot key in the description. Go and check it out and see how it's done. You just need to replace your IDs for keyboard ID by using the monitor option, and then you just go nuts here. You can just put multiple lines. So let's go. This is equals this, and you can say, I don't know, O equals I. Restart. So this is an I. Meta is P, and you can just go nuts with this. And well, it can make your life easier or make life very confusing for someone. Don't forget to do systemctl enable key D. This will just make sure that in every reboot this gets enabled and your key remappings are going to work every single time, every time you reboot your system. So this is a very simple way, and it requires no complicated tools, no complicated stuff, no graphical tools. It works in every terminal. So it works in virtual terminal, physical terminals, etc. So this is not a graphical interface tool like GNOME, Cinnamon, or KDE. It's just a system service that is always enabled and will work every single time. So let me know if this works for you. Let me know what kind of crazy combinations you have came up for it. Like, subscribe, hype, and comment, and I'll see you the next one. Cheers, guys.